In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in GoDaddy Website Builder. Before we dive in, a quick note on what we're doing. We'll start from your GoDaddy dashboard, open the site editor, and then use the built-in Pages controls to add a fresh page. I'll also point out an important plan requirement you might see when you try to add more pages so you know exactly what to expect. Begin on your GoDaddy dashboard where you manage your website. Locate your site and open the editor by selecting Edit Website. This takes you into the live editing environment, where you can change content, adjust the layout, and manage your site structure without affecting what visitors see until you publish. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and select the Website option. This is where GoDaddy groups all the controls related to your site's pages and navigation. Opening this panel helps you manage how your site is organized, so it's the right place to add, remove, or rearrange pages. With the website panel open, look for the plus icon that adds a page. You'll usually see it near your list of pages or next to a page's heading. Click the plus icon to begin creating a new page. This is the core action that tells the builder you want to expand your site's structure. Next, choose New Page. At this point, GoDaddy typically guides you through setting up the page, like giving it a name and deciding whether it appears in your navigation. Keep your page title clear and concise so visitors know what to expect. If you're building something like a contact or services page, a straightforward name often works best and keeps your menu clean. Here's an important heads up. Depending on your current plan, GoDaddy may show a message indicating you need a premium plan to add a new page. That's normal for certain tiers of websites plus marketing, which limit the number of pages you can publish. If you see that prompt, it means your account doesn't currently include additional pages. You can review your plan and decide whether upgrading makes sense for your site's goals. If upgrading isn't an option right now, you can still add more content by using new sections on an existing page to cover similar information until you're ready. That's the full process. Open the editor with Edit Website, go to the Website panel, click the plus icon, and choose New Page, keeping in mind the premium requirement if it appears. When you're satisfied with your changes, remember to publish so your new page becomes visible to visitors.